Introduction to SQL.
SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is the standard language used to manage and interact with databases. SQL helps users to access, modify, and organize large amounts of data easily. Whether you're managing a small personal project or a massive enterprise system, SQL provides reliable tools for working with information stored in databases.
Core functions of SQL.
SQL enables users to perform several essential operations. These include retrieving data using select statements, adding new data with insert, changing existing data with update, and removing data using delete. By mastering these core commands, anyone can efficiently manipulate and analyze data stored in a database.
How SQL organizes data.
SQL works with databases that store information in structured tables. Each table has rows and columns, making it easy to organize data. Just like a spreadsheet, relationships between tables help users connect and manage related data, forming the backbone for applications ranging from websites to financial records.
Why SQL is widely used.
SQL's popularity comes from its simplicity, adaptability, and industry support. It is used by businesses, developers, and analysts worldwide because it makes retrieving and managing data fast and reliable. Major database systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and SQLite all use SQL as their primary language.
Getting started with SQL.
Learning SQL opens doors to database management and data analysis careers. You can practice SQL using free online tools or by installing database software on your computer. By understanding SQL basics, you'll build a strong foundation for working with data in a wide range of industries.